Today we get to talk about the Horl 3, a premium sharpening gadget designed for the home cooks. So will it replace your crappy kitchen sharpener? Is it worth the hype? And most importantly, is it worth the money? And also very importantly, is it easy to use? Well, we're gonna find out all of this stuff in this review. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at what comes into the box. The Horl 3 is beautifully designed and the unboxing experience definitely gives off a high-end vibe. Inside, you get the sharpener itself, a guidebook, and a couple of sharpening stones. The build quality immediately stands out. The Horl 3 has a sleek, minimalistic design. It's crafted from high-quality materials that give it a solid and durable feel. The sharpener base is weighted, ensuring stability during sharpening. Overall, it's clear that this is a premium product. Now, let's dive into the feature that makes the Horl 3 so special. First of all, the sharpener operates with a magnetic guide system, which ensures a consistent angle when sharpening. The sharpener is adjustable between 15 and 20 degrees, which is ideal for both Western-style knives, which typically use a 20-degree angle, and Asian knives, which often use a 15-degree angle. Most of the home cooks will use the 20 degrees. One of the aspects of the Horl 3 is its rotating design. It's not just the stone that rotates, the entire sharpening system rotates 360 degrees, which means that you can sharpen both sides of the knife without having to flip it over. This makes the sharpening process much quicker and way smoother. The base of the sharpener is made of aluminum, which is not only lightweight, but also gives the whole setup a modern and stylish look. The sharpener's stone guide is magnetic, which means that you can easily switch between different grit stones depending on your sharpening needs. And speaking of the stones, the Horl 3 comes with two types of stones. A coarse 300 grit diamond stone for repairing and reshaping the blade, and a fine 1000 grit ceramic stone for honing and polishing the edge. The ceramic stone is perfect for getting the razor sharp finish, while diamond stone is perfect for any blades that are really dull or damaged. This does not come with a leather strap, which is kind of annoying for the price, because the leather strap is great with finishing off your blade. So we're going to be trying to sharpen the most commonly used knives you would have in the kitchen. So the little small utility knife, I use this all the time. Then a more mid-size level kitchen knife. This is one of my favorites. It's a boning knife. You also use it for fish. I'm curious to see how good it is to sharpen something which has a little bit of a curve like this one. And my trusted kitchen knife. I absolutely love this knife. Let's see how it does. Now, let's start with the utility knife. You can see doesn't cut. Is really as dull as it can be. So the first time you use it, the best thing to do is you take a black pen and you color around it. This is going to allow you to understand whether the cutting edge has been given to the knife. Once this thing disappears, it means that the Horl has created a new edge for your knife. We're going to stick it at a 20-degree angle, a little bit higher up. Diamond edge, we're going to go 10 times. Or, until that line that we just colored disappears. Even with minimal effort, the rotating axes allow for smooth controlled sharpening. You simply slide in a back and forth motion and the magnetic guide keeps the angle perfect every time. It's incredibly easy to use, even for someone like me who's not a big fan of sharpening knives. After about 10 passes, you don't see any more of the coloring on the edge. That means that the new edge has been given. Turn around, and we do the same here. And now we finish off with the ceramic edge. At this point, you'll be using a leather strap, but unfortunately, they don't give it to you, so we'll do without. So we put this to the test, piece of paper.
It cuts like scissors.
And it cuts like scissors. Now I'm curious to see how well it does with the paring knife. Let's test the cutting angle now. Not very sharp at all. Let's try a piece of paper. Yeah.
It cuts a little bit.
Yeah, not very sharp. Similar here, we're gonna make sure we're gonna get a new cutting angle. We're gonna go for 20 degrees. This one I'm gonna go a little bit higher given that it's so bendy. Let's see if we made an improvement. Let's try the tip, because the tip is the one I didn't know whether it was going to work well. Looks like it is. Testing with a piece of paper. All right.
Amazing improvement.
Yeah. Now moving on, we're going to be doing the same thing here. Let's try this out. No. Man,
This
knives.
knife really can't cut anything.
Yep. And it really is amazing how solid this magnet is. Okay, to the test again. Oh, beautiful. And we turn the piece of paper as always. Sharpened. Now for my trusted chef knife. And my chef knife would actually be even easier without the bezel here. You can go all the way to the back. Instead here, you kind of need to be careful not to keep smashing against this. Now you feel if there is any burr, so you tidy it up. So there's a little bit of burr here, I can feel it. And in this case, we're just going to finishing off with the ceramic. And now we got the new blade. Let's give this a shot. Oh, wow. So what are the pros and cons of this incredible gadget? So the pros is that you can keep all your knives in tip-top condition with relatively quick maintenance. We took to sharpen 4 knives, probably 20 minutes, maybe even less. So if you are an avid cook that knows that having a sharp knife is important, then this is an incredible gadget. On the downside, it is expensive. This in Europe is 149 euros. I never found it on sale. I even waited for Black Friday, it never went on sale. And for that price, I at least would have loved to have received the leather strap to kind of finishing off your sharpening. And also all the accessories, say if you want to buy different discs, all of those things are also very, very expensive. So overall, it is an expensive gadget to keep in the house. So it kind of really depends on how you use your knife, because you can take it to your local sharpener. It might be cheaper if you do it every so often, but I feel like if you're an avid cook, then it's probably worth the money. In terms of easy to use, you've seen it. It's pretty much foolproof. This thing allows you to keep precisely the angle, so only the motion you do is the back and forth. You probably need to learn, like anything, when you've scraped enough and it's time to turn. For instance, with my Wusthof knife, I kept having burrs on one side, so I had to keep tidying it up. But it's a learning curve like anything else. These ones do take so much material out of your knife. I never advise to use one of these for one of your expensive knife. And the whetstone is actually very complex if you don't do it all the time. So for home cook guys, I think this is great. If you can find it discounted, even better. Otherwise, just spend it. Your knives will thank you and you'll have much more enjoyable cooking experience. If you think this has been useful, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, because all this kind of stuff are really good to help the channel grow and we really much appreciate it. Ciao.